Hi everyone, today I'll be presenting my design project, which is an automatic light. My name is Dimpa Makwatle from Central University of Technology. This is my proposal. My problem statement states that at night, residential garages and basements get darker, making it difficult to locate equipment. The description of my project. The design is about an automatic light which will work in dark places and save electricity by switching off when the system is not triggered. Part of the proposed project, the LDR will switch off the LED during daylight and switch on the LED during night time. Ultrasonic sensor will sense any object within the adjusted distance approaching the garage. When the intruder exceeds the adjusted distance, the alert buzzer installed in the house will be high. When the ultrasonic sensor is not sensing any intruder, the alert buzzer will be low. For my project to be completed, I've used these components: LCD, LDR, Arduino Uno microcontroller, ultrasonic sensor, alert buzzer, and LED. Coming here to my block diagram. This is my Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller, which gives commands to all the components, and it is supplied by the power supply. LDR, which is my input. LDR sensor, it senses the darkness and light. LED, it is the output of my LDR. Ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor senses the distance received or the distance of an intruder. Alert buzzer, it is the output of ultrasonic sensor and also serves as my alarm system. After the distance is received here at the ultrasonic sensor, it will be displayed on my LCD. Flowchart. Flowchart helped me to do the code. This is my starting point. Here I have initialized the inputs and outputs. Ultrasonic sensor and LDR are my inputs. LED, LCD, and the buzzer are my outputs. Going down here, I'm going to read the values of ultrasonic sensor and LDR. When LDR reads less than 200, then it's dark and the LED will be on. When LDR reads greater than 200, then it's daylight and then the LED will be off. Coming here, when an ultrasonic sensor senses the distance of an intruder, when it's less than 5, then the buzzer alert will be on. When an ultrasonic sensor senses the distance greater than 5 of an intruder, the buzzer alert will be off. The distance will be displayed on my LCD, and this is a loop, meaning it will repeat over and over. This is my schematic, which helped me to connect my circuit to the breadboard, and it shows how I have aligned my components. The PCB. Here I have the top and the bottom layer. The green dots shows the good connection. It helps to take out the circuit from the breadboard to here, since it is a printed circuit board. This is a clear picture of the inside of my project. As I've shown you the inside of my project, coming here to the outside, which is my enclosure. This is my ultrasonic sensor, my garage, my buzzer, my display, which is my LCD, LED, and LDR. As I've stated on my proposal, that the ultrasonic sensor will sense the distance of an intruder. Say this is an intruder. As the intruder approaches the garage, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the distance, and when it's less than 5 centimeters, it will be displayed here on my LCD. As you can see here, it displays the distance in centimeter and also states that there is an intruder. The sounds comes from the buzzer. to my LDR. LDR senses darkness and light. As you can see now, there is light. LDR senses light, and the LED, it is off. As soon as LDR senses darkness, the LED turns on. This is the whole process, the operation of my circuit. I thank you.